Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been struggling with thin or damaged hair, this might just be the breakthrough you're looking for. Today, I'm reviewing the Frieda ULTRAfiller Thickening Shampoo, a product designed to not only cleanse your hair, but also strengthen and thicken it, all in one step. Let's dive into what makes this shampoo stand out and whether it delivers on its promises. First up, let's talk about the key features of this shampoo. It's specially formulated with biotin and hyaluronic acid, two ingredients that have become quite popular in the beauty industry for their ability to nourish and hydrate. Biotin, a B vitamin, is known for its role in supporting hair health, while hyaluronic acid is a powerhouse for hydration, helping to plump and volumize hair. The shampoo also boasts a special technology that creates spaces between your hair fibers, which results in an instant, thicker appearance. What I find particularly interesting is the claim that it provides 200% thicker hair compared to a basic shampoo. That's a bold statement, so let's see if it holds up. As for the texture, the shampoo has a creamy consistency that lathers up beautifully. It's easy to apply, and it doesn't feel overly heavy on the hair. I was a little concerned about the potential for residue buildup, since some thickening shampoos can weigh the hair down, but this one didn't do that. It rinses cleanly, leaving no oily or sticky residue behind. That's a big plus for me, as I don't like my hair feeling weighed down by products. Now, how does it perform in real-world testing? Well, I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, and I have to say, I've noticed a significant improvement in the fullness and texture of my hair. It feels visibly thicker, and my hair has a bit more bounce to it. I used it both in the morning and evening routines, and I noticed it worked especially well when paired with the matching conditioner and spray from the ULTRAfiller Plus line. If you're someone who struggles with limp or lifeless hair, this shampoo could be a game changer. However, I didn't feel like it did much for my hair's overall strength or damage repair after just one use. So if you're expecting it to heal very damaged strands right away, that may take more time. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, this shampoo definitely delivers on its promise to thicken hair. It left my hair feeling fuller with noticeable volume. It's also vegan and free from silicones, which is a huge win for anyone looking for a cleaner, more eco-friendly product. The hyaluronic acid also provides great moisture, which kept my hair feeling hydrated throughout the day. On the flip side, I didn't see much improvement in terms of damage repair, even though it's marketed as strengthening. It's also important to note that, while it's thickening, it's not a miracle product. Don't expect to see a drastic change overnight. You'll need consistent use along with other products in the line to truly see maximum results. When it comes to value for money, it's a bit of a mixed bag. At 8.3 Aughts, it's priced at a mid-range level for a high-performance shampoo, especially considering the quality ingredients like biotin and hyaluronic acid. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that works well for daily use without the added fluff, this could be worth the investment. However, if you're looking for deep damage repair in addition to thickening, you might need to factor in the full line of products, which can raise the overall cost. As for alternatives, if you're after a more budget-conscious option, there are plenty of drugstore thickening shampoos available that offer similar results, though you may not get the added boost of biotin and hyaluronic acid. Products from brands like L'Oreal and Pantene also have great options that focus on thickening without the hefty price tag. If you want the best results, however, I would recommend sticking with this product or its counterparts in the ULTRAfiller Plus line. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple and practical. It's a sleek, easy-to-use bottle that dispenses just the right amount of shampoo. As for the longevity, the bottle lasts a good while if you're using it on a regular basis, especially since a little goes a long way. And if you've ever interacted with Frieda's customer service, you'd know they're responsive and supportive. While I haven't had any personal issues with this product yet, their overall reputation for handling customer queries is solid, which is always reassuring. So what's the final verdict? The Frieda ULTRAfiller Thickening Shampoo does exactly what it promises. It thickens and volumizes hair with the help of some high-quality ingredients like biotin and hyaluronic acid. It doesn't repair damage as dramatically as I expected, but if your goal is to add fullness and hydration, it's definitely worth trying out. This is a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their hair's volume, but if you're struggling with severe damage, you may want to look for a more specialized product. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link to purchase this product in the description box below. If you've tried it, let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.